Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 15th of November 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs. Our first question is the first ever physical national Yogasana sports championship of India has been recently organized in dash. Answer is option number 3, Bhubaneswar. Recently the first ever physical national Yogasana sports championship has been held or organized from November 11 to November 13th in Bhubaneswar in Odisha. It has been organized by the National Yogasana Sports Federation in association with the government of Odisha. Nearly 560 bright, talented and young athletes from nearly 30 states have participated in this championship. So answer will be option number 3, Bhubaneswar. Next, who among the following has become the 72nd Grandmaster of India? Answer is option number 1, Mitrabha Guha. Mitrabha Guha is an Indian chess player from Kolkata and recently he has become the 72nd Grandmaster of India. What is Grandmaster? Grandmaster is a title to chess player and it is considered as the highest title a chess player can attain. It is given by the World Chess Organization, that is FIDE, and recently Mitrabha Guha has become the 72nd Grandmaster of India. Sankalp Gupta is the 71st Grandmaster of India. Raja Ritvik is the 17th Grandmaster of India and Harshit Raja is the 69th Grandmaster of India. So answer will be option number 1, Mitrabha Guha. Next, how many people have been awarded in 2021 with Padma Award? Answer is option number 2, 119. On the evening of 72nd Republic Day, Government of India has announced to honor 119 people from diverse field with the Padma Award, and in November 2021, these awards are recently confirmed by the President of India at ceremonial functions at Rashtrapati Bhavan. In the list, there are 7 Padma Vibhushan, 10 Padma Bhushan and 102 Padma Shri awards. Women awardees count at 29. It also includes 10 persons from the category of foreigners or ENRI. Answer will be option number 2, 119. Next, who is the author of the book titled Nehru, the Debates That Defines India? Options are Tripur Daman Singh, Adil Hussain, Chidanand Rajghatta and 1 and 2. Answer is option number 4, 1 and 2. The book titled Nehru, The Debates That Define India is co-authored by Tripur Daman Singh and Adil Hussain and it has been recently released. The book mentions the political journey of Jawaharlal Nehru from being elected as Congress president to various other important aspects of his life. So answer will be option number 4, 1 and 2. Next, India has ranked dash in the recently released Climate Change Performance Index 2022. Answer is option number 2, 10th. Published annually since 2005, the Climate Change Performance Index, that is CCPI, tracks countries' efforts to combat climate change. As an independent monitoring tool, it aims to enhance transparency in international climate politics and enables comparison of climate protection efforts and progress made by the individual countries. And in overall rankings, India is at number 10. So answer will be option number 2, 10th. Next, Manu Bhaker is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 1, first, shooting. Manu Bhaker is an Indian shooter. So answer will be option number 1, Manu Bhaker is related to shooting. Next, who among the following has recently become the fastest batsman to score 2,500 runs in T20 cricket? Answer is option number 1, Babar Azam. Babar Azam has recently become the fastest batsman to score 2,500 runs in T20 cricket. He has scored these runs in just 62 innings. So answer will be option number 1, Babar Azam. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Bird Day in India annually? Answer is option number 3, 12th November. Every year, 12th November is celebrated as National Bird Day in India. And this day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of ornithologist Salim Ali. He was born on 12th of November 1896 in Mumbai and he is referred as the Birdman of India. So answer will be option number 3, 12th November is celebrated as National Bird Day in India. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Pneumonia Day? Answer is option number 3, 12th November. Every year, 12th November is celebrated as World Pneumonia Day. Pneumonia is a serious infection of lungs caused by various bacteria, viruses and fungi. It affects people with weakened immune system, older people above 65 years of age, infants and young children, and it is a serious health issue and requires proper treatment. And every year 12th November is celebrated as World Pneumonia Day with the objective to increase awareness and to educate people about the acute respiratory infection which is globally overlooked. It was first celebrated in 2009. So answer will be option number 3, 12th November. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the new Director General of CISF? What is CISF? Long form is Central Industrial Security Force. And recently, Sheel Vardhan Singh has been appointed as the new Director General of CISF. Sheel Vardhan Singh is an IPS officer of 1986 batch, and he has been recently appointed as the new Director General of CISF, Central Industrial Security Force. It was established on 10th of March 1969 with an aim of guarding sensitive governmental buildings, Delhi Metro, and providing airport security. And the CISF is governed by the Union Ministry of Home Affairs and its headquarters is located at New Delhi. And now new Director General is Sheel Vardhan Singh. So answer will be option number 4. Now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Sports Journalist Day? Answer is option number 2, 2nd July. Every year 2nd July is celebrated as World Sports Journalist Day. Now today's question is, what is India's rank in recently released Global Food Security Index 2021? Options are 71st, 81st, 91st and 101. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss question in the next video.